Top 5 Best Ukuleles for Beginners. Number 5. Luna Tattoo Concert Mahogany. Luna is a guitar manufacturer that also makes ukuleles. The company is a mainstay in the reviews for old-timey music. Here's another article that talks about Luna in depth. Luna is headquartered in Tampa, Florida, so are another American company. They offer a wide variety of instrument types, including mandolins, banjos, buzukis, and the cajon in order to spark creativity in the performer community. But Luna's ukuleles are one of the main reasons to purchase from this company. There are a lot of ukulele offerings in all 4 sizes. But the Tattoo Concert Mahogany ukulele with gig bag is one of Luna's best ukuleles for beginners. The word tattoo in the name of this ukulele indicates the cool black pattern on the instrument. It has the design of traditional Hawaiian body ornamentation. This particular design stands for longevity and endurance, which is exactly what the instrument will give you. Pros: unusual Hawaiian-inspired design on instrument body. All wood construction. Clear and resonate sound. Comes in an electric model as well. Cons: shipping might take a while. Included strings are not the best. Coming in number 4. Bondi Ukulele Starter Kit. Bondi Ukuleles has a small but passionate group of employees that are dedicated to providing you with the best ukuleles possible. The owners of the company, Joel and Marcus, are ukulele enthusiasts who know what makes a great instrument. They began Bondi Ukuleles when they met at a symposium in Bangkok. Both co-founders are Australian and draw their inspiration for the instruments from Bondi Beach. That's not all. Bondi doesn't just make great ukuleles for advanced players. Instead, anyone can afford and purchase a great Bondi instrument. If you are a beginner, try out the Bondi Ukulele Starter Kit. It includes everything you need to begin playing the ukulele. It comes with a compression case, felt picks, strap, glow tuner, chord stamp, chord poster, videos, lesson guides, and the Bondi promise to stand behind their instruments. In fact, this starter kit and instrument come with a lifetime warranty by Bondi, which is significantly longer than other ukulele warranties. Bondi takes the risk out of your purchase, so you can focus on learning the ukulele. Pros: the all-inclusive kit has everything you need. Comes with a lifetime warranty. Very affordable given everything included. Hard case protects your instrument. Cons: chord chart not as helpful. Not ideal for an intermediate or advanced player. Coming in number 3. Cordoba 20 cm Concert. Cordoba is a great manufacturer of both nylon-sized guitars and ukuleles. They are driven by the desire to create wonderful organic wooden instruments. And their many great ukulele products illustrates their success. They have a number of ukulele product lines. However, none is better than the 20 cm and if you want a ukulele for beginners 2022 or 2022 that can also be played by intermediates, then the 20 cm Concert ukulele is for you. It is one of the larger sizes of ukulele. Plus, lots of sizes and finishes are available. You may even decide to choose an electric version of the 20 cm. Just keep in mind that all versions of the 20 cm are made in China and use composite wood on some of the features, fingerboard, bridge, etc., but that does not stop this ukulele for beginners from sounding great and lasting a long time. Additionally, the beautiful mahogany finish and rosette pattern will make you the envy of every other ukulele player. Pros: lots of size and finish options, including electric. Rosette pattern and body shape are class and beautiful. Wonderful sweet sound. Durable wood and construction. Cons: fairly expensive for a beginner instrument. Frets not flush with fingerboard. Coming in number 2. Cordoba 15 cm Concert. Cordoba is another great ukulele for beginners manufacturer. The brand is primarily known for its nylon-stringed guitars. In fact, you can find them listed as one of the best classical guitar manufacturers in our article here. However, Cordoba does not only produce great classical guitars. Their ukuleles are also fantastic. That's not all. The Cordoba 15 cm concert ukulele is a great instrument for someone looking to learn. It will get you started with its easy-to-play frets. Plus, it has a beautiful mahogany top, back, and sizes. The finish is satin. The fingerboard, bridge, saddle, and nuts are all made from composite wood. Yet, this does not decrease the 15 cm's durability, playability, or sound quality. Overall, this is a great choice for a ukulele for beginners concert or tenor-sized instrument. Pros: great sound for the money. An electric version is available. Comes in concert, soprano, and tenor sizes. Good for intermediates as well. Cons: more expensive than the Kala ukuleles. Chinese made of composite wood. Coming in number 1. Kala Exotic Mahogany Concert. Kala is well known for its wonderful ukuleles. The company has been around for a decade and specializes in making the highest quality and most durable instruments around. Kala is headquartered north of San Francisco in Petaluma, California, in cow country. But that hasn't stopped the company from creating a worldwide presence in the ukulele industry. They continue to update and add to their product lines, which ensures that you are getting the most up-to-date ukulele available. Plus, when you are ready to upgrade from the Learn to Play ukulele, you will be ready for Kala's Exotic Mahogany Concert Ukulele. This is still a great instrument for beginners, but the larger size, this is a concert instrument, and thus wider fret spacing requires a more advanced player. There are 6 different instruments in this product line, and they are all made from different exotic woods. The Exotic Mahogany Concert Ukulele is made from mahogany is stained in blue satin. So, not only will the great sounds set you apart from everyone else, but the blue look of the instrument will as well. Pros: ultra-modern blue satin mahogany concert ukulele. Great deep sound and high-quality construction. Comes with premium Aquila nilgut strings. Stays in tune well. Cons: may be too large for young players. More expensive than Kala's Learn to Play ukuleles.